Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maverick Lee. Now, many people under my previous fragrance review videos have commented and told me that they actually like my fragrance reviews. So, here is one of my favorite fragrances just for you. Today's fragrance is called Calvin Klein Euphoria. Now, this fragrance has been out for quite some time. I think the first time I actually got this fragrance was way back in around 2007. That's how long it has been out now. And it's still one of my favorite fragrances to this day, as you can see right here. Now, look how much of this I have used. This is about the third time I've bought this now, if not fourth. I absolutely love this fragrance. This fragrance currently, as of 2024, costs around 32 British pounds for 100 ml. In US dollars, that translates to around 41 US dollars. Now, the reason I love this scent the most is because it's just totally refreshing. It's just so refreshing, and it's got like a cocktaily smell to it, and it's so strange because every time I smell this scent, it's the one scent that actually brings back my youth. Can you believe I just said that? It literally smells like my youth has been captured in this bottle right here. How is that even possible? Do you ever have that feeling where you get a particular scent and it reminds you of a fond memory you once had in your life? So every time I smell this cocktaily smell, it always reminds me of back when I was younger in 2007. I used to go out with my friends and I used to wear this all the time. I don't know why, it just feels like I'm rolling back the years every time I smell this. If I had to describe this fragrance in maybe 3 words, I would definitely describe it as provocative. That's literally what you smell. And the next one would be sexy. I know sexy sounds like a cheesy word, but really, if you smell this, it's like you're inhaling the word sexy. It's literally that. And the next word I would use to describe this would be sophisticated. It smells like a sophisticated scent. Let's take another smell. Whew, so fresh, honestly, so fresh. I can smell cedar. I can smell basil, funny enough. I can smell basil. And a peppery scent to it as well. I get like a peppery note. It's definitely like a cocktail smell. Yeah, it smells like a nice, classy, refreshing, masculine mix in the bottle. So, if you haven't caught onto this yet, then I advise you to get yourself down to the shops and check it out at the very least. This gift would make a perfect Christmas gift, birthday gift, whatever it may be, Father's Day. It really is a timeless classic. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget, please check out my other videos on my channel. I also do many product reviews and fragrance reviews. So check them out. Turn on post notifications, like the video, and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on future content just like this.